guys, welcome back. This is Deborah. So today I'm just going to show you a technique for a background. I saw this technique somewhere and for the life of me I can't remember where it was and I can't find it again. If anybody knows, can they just leave me a comment so I can credit the person where I saw this being done? I appreciate that. So what I'm going to use is this gel medium. Now mine's gloss and I don't think it needs to be gloss, I just happen to have gloss, and some book pages. So let's go. So the technique is one that I used, and I'll just show you the page. On this page here, it's this words that are on this page here. So what you do is, and I must admit it took me a couple of goes to get this right, I found that it worked well on watercolor paper, and this paper here, this is a Diane Reevely Delusions journal, and obviously it'll work on here as well. But I did try some on some copy paper and that didn't seem to work at all when I was first sort of testing it out. So the first thing to do is to lay down some gel medium. You know, don't probably not do all the page at once. I'm just doing a little section on the end here just to start with, and you can do this technique over the top of itself, so it doesn't really matter. Then you need some book pages, and the tip would be to actually cut them small and then overlap them over the edge of your page, so you've got something to actually grab at the time to pull it up again, because you'll see why in a minute and why I want to pull it up again. So I'm just basically putting some stuff down, overlapping them. I mean, don't overlap them too much. I'm just really looking at putting some stuff where I've put that glue for a start. And I like to have all my words up the correct way, but you can put yours up the right way, the wrong way, on an angle, whatever you want. And then you just press it down a little bit, and before it gets too dry, just gently pull that up. Maybe that needed to dry a little bit more before I pulled it up. So while that's drying, I'm just going to do a bit more. The idea would be to kind of do half and then the other half, and you see if I pull that bit there up, I'm actually going to take most of that off. So I don't want this thick white bit on here. I want to leave behind some paper, but I don't want to leave all of that behind. Now that hasn't stuck too well down there. Let's try another bit. So I really think it's a bit of trial and error with this one, and going back over it each time to get the words to stay without having the thick paper down there. As I said, I find that if I pull from one side and then the other, I got a better result. And then I'm just pulling that extra bit up there. Yeah, see, that's what I want. I don't want a thick piece of book page. I really want to have, you know, just the words left on. I haven't put enough glue on that one, clearly. So you can see there, I'll just stop and show you how it's pulled that sort of layer from that side but not from the other side, and laid that down, whereas that's what I want. I want to leave bits of the page behind. And it will do it, you just have to keep trying. As I said, if you leave it too long, I haven't been that successful. See, that's quite a good one, because that's, just show you that one. Again, that's taken that one side of the page off, And that's what you're trying to achieve, is just to peel back one side of the page, not both sides, to create the textured background. So that's how I've created the other background, and now I've got another background in my journal page that's ready to complete. This is Deborah. Thanks for watching. Cheers.